am Melanie with Live Well, and I just received a super awesome package. The UPS delivery guy just came by, and this is like Christmas for me. I am super excited. So last week we featured a new item video with our friend Ruben from Pure Care, and he filled us with so much information that our heads just exploded about the possibilities of having a cool night sleep system, your sheets, Tencel, your mattress protectors. And then Ruben started talking to me about a really magical fabric that I can't even completely describe right now because it sounds completely out of this world magical technology. What we're talking about in here is inside of this box, and I am super excited to share this with you. So let's see what magic is in here. So I'm gonna open this up. And thank you, Ruben, for sending this over. I'm so excited, I don't even have words for how excited I am. Woo, look at that. It's even pink, it matches my shirt. All right, so clear this off. Ooh, we can take all of this, and I'm gonna give it to Gretch because she likes to chase Javier around with those. And so in this first box, it looks like we have the Celliant premium sheets. These are performance fibers. Ooh, and they are for my bed. I'm gonna give them a test trial. These are clinically tested Celliant fibers for recovery. Super excited about this. And this is going to be the mattress protector made out of Celliant as well. Now Celliant, ooh, we got another second box before I go forward. Let's check out this big one here. What's in here? What could it possibly be? You gotta always cut away from you. And as any good Boy Scout or Girl Scout, you gotta always close your knife. Proper knife etiquette. There we go. That one was for my buddies in Boy Scouts. All right, oh, and it looks like we got a second set as well. So our buddy Ruben really hooked us up here with this material. Now this material caught my attention because Ruben was telling me that this is what our top athletes are using for recovery. Even the race horses right now, this material is woven into their blankets to help them recover. And everybody that knows me knows I love race horsing and stuff like that. So this material is designed to take your own infrared energy, like if you were looking at an infrared camera and that all those colorful things that you see there on the screen, that energy is going to be stored inside of this fabric, and then it goes back into your body. It goes back into your own cells, and it promotes circulation, healing, and recovery. And it also says that it can perform, or it can increase your performance and promote a restful night's sleep. So super excited about this. I'm gonna learn everything I possibly can about Pure Care's Celliant sheets, and then I will report back to you. And we're gonna talk about it in Fishbowl coming up, and we're also gonna do a new item video specifically on this. I'm so excited, yay! That was a little bit more, I'm more like this.